I love reading nonfiction books because I always learn so much from them. When I'm reading a nonfiction book, I always try to think in my head to look for something that is a really interesting fact. And also, I'm looking at other facts too, but I always try to find at least one or two things that I really like. For example, in this book called Monkeys, it's by Rob Rendack, I found out that monkeys are many colors. And on this page, it shows quite a few colors. And then look, there's a red monkey. I've never seen a red monkey at the zoo. There's a brown monkey, and there's a black monkey. I think that's really interesting. But also, I found some other interesting facts in this book. I found out that howler monkeys really like to howl loud, and also that spider monkeys like to hold things by their tail. So there's lots of interesting facts in this book. When you're reading a nonfiction book, you should make sure that you remember all those facts because you're going to be talking with someone and sharing that information, or you might be drawing a picture or writing sentences to go along with it.